Alright, so first we'll need to take the ladder off in order to get this piece out. We could do that by not lifting the ladder up too high because we got these little plastic pieces here we want to avoid crushing. But we want to get the peg from the side of the ladder out. You can do that to one side first, and that's fairly easy by pulling here and pushing with your thumb. The other side gets a little bit trickier, but you can kind of just force it a bit, and it comes out. And nextly we'll take a flat screwdriver. There's two clips, one on this side and one on this side. I like to just put the screwdriver in a little bit and push the clip away while lifting on the mechanism. A little bit of clearance there. Now it's come apart, and you can put the new pieces in and just snap it all back together.